Basics of reading a tape measure. On every tape measure, there's numbers and lines. The numbers stand for inches and feet. We're worried about the little lines in between them today, and I'm going to help you read those lines. The little lines in between the numbers all stand for 1/16 of an inch measurements. We have 1/16, 1/8, 3/16, 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, and 15/16. When you're measuring something, you measure the inch and then the fraction of an inch afterwards that line corresponds to. Okay? So let's go with this one right there. That is not 14 and 2 little lines. That is 14 and 1/8. Let's move down here. We'll do that little guy right there. That is not 18 and 9 little baby lines. That is 18 and 9/16. We'll slide our way down here. Let's go this one right here. That is not 3 and 3 medium lines. No. That is 3 3/4. I hope this helps.